will get us in the field.
Okurijera ahabebembeza aba niboreka ngo abantu bingi nibongera kushisha eby'obuhangwa ikigemeserize ba member ab'ekitongore kya Lake Victoria Region Local Authorities Cooperative kutayayira Mbarara barikwenda koreka abantu ng'omugera gwa Rwizi gwine omugasho.
Of course tiyo yonker kwegitamu neyegitamu abwa River Rwizi kandi nazashema ni members za River Rwizi za Rwampara za za Ravrak hamwe na n'izindi na za Bweju burigiro omugera ogwambara ogwa River Rwizi okugurukisha. So members twena abaryo mu Western Uganda turebe ngutwatahuri byare emiti mingi kurinda River Rwizi abo kuba niyo eri connectinga munonga na icyo kitongore cya Ravrak.
Kiro kitufu nti ebibuga oba ebitundu byonna birina emyala bikoze kinene nnyo okupollutinga ennyanja yaffe. Campaign gye twateekawo naddala nze mbadde Kawempe nga ntandise campaign y'okukyusa endowooza z'abantu bakimanye nti ebintu bino byoteekawo ebisaaniko byosuulasuula bigenda kugenda mu nnyanja.
Chairman wa Lake Victoria Region Local Authorities Cooperative omu Uganda nagira ngo government eyine kutamani omukushomesa abantu hakurinda eby'obuhangwa hamwe no kurinda enyanja n'emigera.
Kulwange kyendaba kufuvalwe nabeera omukulembeze ekyalemeddwa okuteekawo okwagala okulaga n'abantu nti netegefu okulwanirira ennyanja nalubaale n'ebitongole ebirala lwansonga nti osanga projects za government nyingi nnyo ng'ate baziteeka mu wetlands kyekisinze okuleeta obuzibu.
There shall never be safe until the leaders of the cities and urban areas realize the very essence why these towns and urban centers exist in East Africa. The biggest task that leaders and especially the mayors and the managers, is to ensure that we reduce on the gap between the very rich and the very poor in our respective cities. The income disparities are affecting the life of Lake Victoria.
Bwanyuma aba babyire emiti ahambaga nkuru za Mbarara City hamwe n'akakiika eri kwingana 200. Gasha kwa Ramadan.
They are saying you cannot go back.